Welcome to class 9. This is Rakesh Kumar from Rawal Public School. Today I am here going to discuss the chapter that is gravitation. And what is gravitation? It is the force of attraction between any two objects in this universe. Most important is universal gravitation. Newton's idea about the universe. It is the force acting between two objects. The picture showing the gravitational force. At the Earth's surface, Newton knew that gravitational force on the apple is equal to the weight of the object, that is equal to mg. M is the mass of the object, g is gravity, and its value is 9.8 meter per second square. And gravity is always acts towards down the earth. Weight of the moon. Newton also pointed out that the centripetal force on the moon is also supplied by the earth gravitational force. That's why the moon revolves around the earth. Weight of the moon. Moon is very small as compared to the earth, so it's about 1 upon 3600th of the mass of the earth, and 60 times farther it is distance from the surface or center of the earth. Universal gravitation. The force of attraction between two objects depends on two main factors. First is directly proportional to the masses of both objects and inversely proportional to the distance between the two objects. Here is the mathematical presentations of the universal gravitation law. F is equal to capital G mm upon r square. G is universal gravitational constant and its value is 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. And r is the distance between two objects and one compulsory object, that is earth. It is also called a inverse square law because force is inversely proportional to square of the distance between two objects. Gravitational field strength near the surface of the earth, G is equal to F upon m, and we can also calculate it. So small g, that is the gravity, it is equal to capital G m upon r square. Capital G is gravitational constant, m is mass of the earth, r is distance of the object from the earth. And inside the planet, if you are present, then you can calculate all the planet mass inside the sphere of the radius r when we move toward the surface, and there is no gravitational force on you. Gravitational field inside the planet, so halfway to the center of the planet G is halfway of its surface value. You can see from this picture. Sun is very far away from the earth as compared to the moon, so difference in the distance between moon and earth from the sun is there, so sun have a very small effect on the earth tides. Thank you, have a nice day. I hope you all have understood about the gravitation, its important topics, gravity, and how the gravity affects the different phenomena on the earth. Thank you.